Welcome to the Neural News Network with Rayadana, your weekly source for all things AI. We're diving into a world where technology is redefining possibilities. Up next, we're unpacking the latest breakthrough that's shaking up the AI landscape. Stay tuned for today's biggest story in AI. Our top story this week comes from the world of autonomous vehicles. The industry has been abuzz with news of a groundbreaking milestone achieved by AI-driven company, Drive AI. They've successfully launched the world's first fully autonomous taxi service in the urban environment of New York City. The Drive AI taxis navigate the city's complex street layout with ease, thanks to the company's advanced AI algorithms. Unlike previous iterations of autonomous vehicles, these taxis don't rely on pre-mapped routes. Instead, they use real-time data to adapt to traffic conditions and make split-second decisions. This achievement is a significant leap forward in the autonomous vehicle industry. It's not just about getting from point A to point B anymore. It's about doing so in a way that's safe, efficient, and adaptable to the ever-changing dynamics of a bustling city. But what makes this news even more fascinating is the ripple effect it's likely to have on related sectors. The Drive AI breakthrough could accelerate the development of smart city infrastructure, as urban planners will have to consider the needs of autonomous vehicles. It may also influence the future of employment, as industries like taxi services and trucking could see a shift towards AI-driven operations. However, it's important to note that this development also raises questions about AI ethics and regulation. How will these autonomous taxis interact with human-driven vehicles? What happens if an accident occurs? These are questions that regulators and lawmakers will need to address as AI continues to evolve and integrate into our everyday lives. The launch of the Drive AI autonomous taxi service is a testament to how far we've come in harnessing the power of artificial intelligence. It's a reminder that AI isn't just about robots and algorithms. It's about creating solutions that can transform our cities, our industries, and our lives. This story truly shows the power and potential of AI. Now, let's switch gears to our AI tool of the week. Every week, we highlight a new or trending AI tool that's making waves. This week, it's all about AI Builder, a true game changer in the realm of artificial intelligence. The AI Builder is a powerful and user-friendly tool that lets you harness the power of AI without needing a degree in data science. It's designed to help you automate processes, boost productivity, and make more informed decisions, all with the power of machine learning. One of the key features that sets AI Builder apart is its intuitive interface. Even if you're a novice, you'll find it easy to create, train, and publish AI models. You don't need to write a single line of code. AI Builder does the heavy lifting for you. But don't think that because it's user-friendly, it's not powerful. On the contrary, AI Builder offers a host of advanced features for those who want to delve deeper. You can customize your models, integrate with other tools, and even use pre-built AI models to get started quickly. AI Builder also boasts an impressive range of applications. Whether you're looking to automate customer service, analyze social media sentiment, or predict sales trends, AI Builder has got you covered. Now let's talk about the cost. AI Builder operates on a subscription model, with pricing starting from $50 per month. It's a worthwhile investment, considering the time and resources it can save you. If you're interested, you can find AI Builder on their official website, along with a host of resources to help you get started. In terms of cons, there aren't many. Some users have reported a steep learning curve initially, but most agree that the benefits far outweigh the challenges. And remember, with any AI tool, it's essential to have a clear understanding of your data and your goals before diving in. That's our AI tool of the week. Now, on to a quick roundup of other AI news. There's never a dull moment in the world of AI. Here are a few more stories that caught our eye this week. First up, we have a breakthrough in AI for healthcare. Researchers at the Massachusetts Institute of Technology have developed an AI model that can predict the development of Alzheimer's disease up to 6 years before a clinical diagnosis. This could revolutionize early detection and treatment plans, potentially improving the lives of millions around the globe. Moving on to the world of entertainment. A Los Angeles-based startup has developed an AI that can generate original music compositions. The AI has been trained on hundreds of thousands of tracks across all genres, and it's creating pieces that are indistinguishable from human compositions. This could be a game changer for aspiring musicians and producers. Next, in the realm of autonomous vehicles, Tesla has announced a major upgrade to their. The upgrade, powered by AI, is set to increase the safety and efficiency of their self-driving cars. This is yet another step towards a future where autonomous vehicles are the norm. Finally, in the world of gaming, A new AI has defeated some of the world's top players in a popular online strategy game. This AI did not have any pre-programmed strategies, but instead learned how to play and win through millions of simulated games. That's your quick AI news roundup. Now let's hear from you, our viewers. We love hearing from you. Let's take a look at some viewer comments and questions. First up, we have a comment from user A Enthusiast, who wrote, "The development in AI ethics is encouraging. It's refreshing to see the field moving towards a more responsible approach." We couldn't agree more, I Enthusiast. Ethical considerations are crucial in the advancement of AI. We've covered some groundbreaking AI trends and stories, and there's more on the horizon. Don't forget to subscribe and enable notifications. Check the description for AI tools and sources. I'm Raya Dana. Thanks for watching. See you next week on Neural News Network.